this video we will be talking about the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, which is latestly launched few days ago. Let's talk more about it and tell you if you should buy it or not, because I think probably you should, but let's talk about its specs and break down everything about the phone. So let's go. So let's talk about its specs. So first of all, it has 6.8 inches of screen. It has dynamic AMOLED screen, which is really good. And yeah, AMOLED screen, I love AMOLED screen phones, so yeah, big yes for me. So it has 6.8 inches of screen. After that, it also has 1440 into 3200 pixels in it. And after that, it has Corning Gorilla Glass Vector support, which is again a really good Corning Gorilla Glass to protect your phone from scratches and from dropping. Obviously it's good in that purpose, so yeah, it's really great for dropping and scratches for your phone. And after that, in the phone it has Android 11 and it has One UI 3.1. After that, it will come with Exynos 2100 in India and in Europe, and if you're living in US and other countries, then it will come with Snapdragon 888. Good for you. But last time what they did in the Note series is that they have given the 990 processor in India and Europe and Snapdragon 865 plus processor in other countries, and that thing really sucked because in India, I'm living in India right now. So what happened is that processor's battery sucked really bad, and the CPU and GPU performance was really bad as compared to the Snapdragon 865 plus. So yeah, as I was comparing them, it was really bad. So you can say that this time I think they have done a good job with their Exynos 2100 chip, because like they have launched their chip this year only, and on the launch only they have launched their chip. So it's in 5nm chipset, which is really great thing about the chipset, because the 5nm chipset GPU CPU are the best. So they are saying that it is better than the Snapdragon 888 and it is faster than the Snapdragon 888. It is 34% more faster than the Snapdragon 888. What they have said in their launch is this, and yeah, I think that must be it. So I think that it should be better than the Snapdragon 888 as per I am thinking, because I think it should be better, because they are saying it too much and putting the too much pressure on it. So I must think that, but actual performance comes in the real life. As we compare the both of the processor, we'll see what will happen in the future. So we have to wait for that, comparing the Exynos 2100 and Snapdragon 888. So yeah, but as for now they are saying the 2100 is better than the 88, so we'll go with that. So anyways, after that, in the phone you will see 108 megapixel of camera on the back of the phone, and it will have 10 megapixel of periscopic telephoto lens, which is a 10x zoom lens. It is also there, so you can click pictures with it. And it also has a 10 megapixel of telephoto lens. So there are two lenses, one is periscope telephoto, another one is telephoto, and the last lens is 12 megapixel of ultra wide angle lens. So yeah. So what about the cameras? The cameras are improved because of the 5nm chip they are using this year. So it is really improved and it's better than before. The numbers are actually same, but the camera performance is totally different. You can't believe it, it's that type of difference. The low light performance is improved, really improved, next level improved. 50% of it has been improved, and other cameras also it has improved. The 10x zoom, previously you can't click any picture if you totally zoom in the 10x, but this time when you zoom in the 10x, you obviously can click any of the picture. Previously the pictures were noisy and you can't stable the phone because you have zoomed too much, but this time you can zoom in and take any of the picture. It won't be that much, it will do a better job. And yeah, they have focused really on the phones, so yeah, I really like about that. and yeah, it will have 5000 mAh of battery, which is a really low thing about the phone. Because what they have done this year is they have given 5000 mAh of battery, whereas they can get 7000 mAh of battery. They have given 7000 mAh of battery in their upper mid-range phone, so they can also give it in the flagship of their this year. But they haven't done that. They have given 5000 mAh of battery. It's a good battery, and in day-to-day performance it should last you 1.5 or 2 days at the least amount. It should last you 1.5 day. So yeah, the battery is good, but they can also give a better battery. Anyways, I'm a little bit disappointed with the battery. And about the fast charging support, it will give 25 watt of fast charging support, whereas 5nm chip supports 100 watt of fast charging. They haven't given that. So yeah, I am more disappointed in the fast charging support. At least they can give 65 watt of fast charging support at the least amount. But anyways, they haven't given 65 watt of fast charging. How should I say that they should give 100 watt of fast charging? Yeah, I'm more disappointed in that. But anyways, on and on, the phone really looks good on paper, and in real life it should be really great, and everything comes when we test it. So yeah, when we see more things coming up, I will update you everything. So yeah, anyways, there is a limitation. They have removed memory card slot in the phone, so you won't be getting expandable storage like 1 TB before. So yeah, there is a limitation. It will have a 12 GB maximum storage is of 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage you will be getting in the phone. So yeah, anyways, they have removed the memory card, and they have also removed the adapter in the box. Last time they were tweeting about Apple, they have removed the charger. We are giving the charger in the box. What happened to you, Samsung? Now this year you have also removed the charger and given the same reason like Apple, like we are saving the environment, we are not cutting trees, anything like that. But yeah, if we have to buy the charger, we will buy it from you on your website. You better give it in the box and we are good to go. But you have to play these things and you have to make more money by the adapter. Anyways, you have like you can get the charger for free if you pre-order it now. By just going and pre-ordering it, you will get cashback, and from that cashback you can also order adapter for you, and you can also order a earphone for you. So yeah, there will be cashback on the earphone, and you can pre-order the phone. You will also get a charger for free. So yeah, that's what Samsung is doing to keep their customer intact. So yeah, I think it's a little trick, but anyways, it works. Then it works. What should I say? So anyways, they should give it in the box. But it is what it is. What should I say? This phone is really great. Phone is extremely great because of its camera and performance, and everything looks great to me on paper. So yeah, I think it's great. If you want to go it, you should go for it. Yeah, I mean, you should. So what about the S Pen? You will get the S Pen if you buy it from their website. There are two types of S Pen. There is a smaller one and the bigger one. Bigger one is the expensive one because it has more features. You can gesture toggle it and do more things with it, and just press it to take pictures and more things. And yeah, writing drawing is the simple feature, so it will come in the smaller one. So if you want to go it, then go for the bigger S Pen because it has more features and gesture to it, and you will get all of that. And it also has a cover for it. You can buy the cover from the website and you just attach it on the back of the phone and attach the pen in the cover. So yeah, you're good to go. I mean, you can keep the S Pen in the cover, and whenever you need it, just pull it out. It's that simple. So yeah, it's really good. You have to buy it externally, but yeah, it's good. If you want to buy it, then go for it. It will help you in small tasks and creative tasks if you want to buy it. So you should go for it because it is good. It is. What should I do? It is. So yeah, thanks guys, thanks for watching. If you like it, then like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, ring the bell, and thanks guys, thanks for watching. It's been signing off.